Requena, the power of the expert rider, the champion of the expert rider. Overjump, high, Otik Requena, ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the expert. Another one. Otik Requena, Willie Otik. Willie Otik, black truck Otik. Black truck, Willie Otik. Another one, B. Palakpak, Toledo City. Kailangan mo for another one. Long jump. Oh! Otik Requena. Ato, Willie. Enjoy sa ito mo. Okay, diya, Willie Tik. Ay, sante ka. Iyon na. Iyon na, picture yun. Okay, for the Willie. Otik Requena. Oh! For the long jump. Here we go. Otik Requena. Yes! Palakpak, Toledo City. Isa yung champion na ni? Si Otik, you know. Overall. Maliog na, checker block. Checker block, yata ni Otik Requena. Otik, wala ng checker flag, Otik. Otik Requena, yata ka checker flag, Otik, for victory lap. Otik, taktangang helmet, Otik. Dagang nyo to, toyo, Otik. Oy, sa mapalit of Cebu Enduro Industry nga t-shirt. Nakakadiri pa, toyo, kung saan ako sa Otik Requena, kausa. O, nakakito sir eh. Oy, sa mapalit of t-shirt sa Cebu Enduro Industry, nakakadiri tungkol sa sound system. Otik, wala ka to checker flag, Dol. Paliw ko chicken flag, ihatag ni Otik Requena. Willie. Okay. Chicken flag, ihatag, dara. Day, ihatag ka to, Day. Ihatag, Day. Anak, Day, ihatag sa Day, ha. Kuya na sakay, Day, ha. Okay, chicken flag lang sa ihatag, Day. Oh, nilagawa, pas Otik. Day, kitong number, ha. Okay. Otik Requena, mga kaigsanan. Okay, Otik Requena, the pride of Argao, Cebu. The pride of Cebu. Riding from WTR Racing Team. Riding from Sandy Kings Racing Team. Riding from Alia Enterprises Racing Team, the pride of Cebu, the champion of the expert category right here at Barangay Santo Niño, Toledo City, the 5th Enduro Cross Invitational Competition 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the expert category from the Argao, Cebu, the pride also from Team Cebu. Thank you so much, Honorable Kapitan Cap Ahmed Baron.